Understanding Dental Care, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the topic of dental care. This is a phrase you might hear often, especially when talking about health and hygiene. So, let's explore what it means and why it's important. Dental care refers to the maintenance of healthy teeth and gums. It's not just about preventing cavities. It's also about keeping your entire mouth healthy. This includes regular brushing, flossing, and visits to the dentist. Good dental care is crucial for avoiding dental diseases and maintaining overall oral health. Brushing. Brushing your teeth at least twice a day is a key part of dental care. It helps remove food particles and plaque, a sticky film of bacteria that forms on teeth. Flossing. Flossing daily is equally important. It removes food particles and plaque from between your teeth and under the gum line, areas where a toothbrush can't reach. Regular dental visits. Visiting a dentist regularly for checkups and cleanings is vital. Dentists can spot problems early on and provide treatment to prevent more serious issues. Maintaining good dental care is essential for several reasons. Prevents tooth decay and gum disease. Regular care can prevent conditions like cavities and gingivitis. Promotes overall health. Poor oral health has been linked to various health issues like heart disease and diabetes. Boosts self-esteem. A healthy smile can enhance your confidence and social interactions. Let's debunk a few common myths. Myth: only sugar causes cavities. Truth: while sugar plays a role, cavities are actually caused by bacteria that feed on various types of carbohydrates. Myth: hard brushing cleans better. Truth: brushing too hard can damage gums and enamel. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding dental care and its importance. Remember, taking care of your teeth is a vital part of your overall health. Keep smiling, and see you in our next video.